The trains on the Abuja Kaduna route are back, and Inspector General of Police Usman Baba has ordered the deployment of armed personnel for the commencement of railway services from Monday, December 5. The order was made known in a statement on Sunday by the First Public Relations Officer Muyiwa Adejobi. The Nigerian Railway Corporation (NRC) had suspended train service along the route after Boko Haram terrorists attacked a moving passenger train in Kaduna on March 28. The insurgents had blown up the rail track and bombed the moving train, killing some and abducting more than 60 passengers. Outrage on a global and national scale had greeted the incident. The terrorists went on to release hostages one after the other, with the last recorded on October 5. The deployment, according to the statement, covers major railway stations along the route and operational coaches to provide adequate security for passengers, their property, and the entire service in order to prevent any unforeseen incident. The IGP assured the general public, especially intending passengers, of adequate protection of lives and property, as all hands are on deck to fortify the railway services along the route and other rail lines across the country. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get notifications.